No, I'm taking a video.
Oh.
Go ahead and open. Here we are opening Valentine's Day cards. Maggie. What you got? Ooh, is that $1?
Mm-hmm.
Who's that from?
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama. I don't think it's from Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Why do you think it's from him?
Because he had the dollars.
It's your economic stimulus?
Ooh.
Ooh.
I got all of them. I got one that just like you.
Colby, who's that from?
Oh no.
Look at the card. You should read the card and see.
Happy Valentine's game card. Look at
And who's it from? Open it up. Who?
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama? You think Barack Obama gave you Valentine's cards?
Yeah.
And who is Barack Obama?
The president. The president. He's the first of the president of the United States of America. Ooh, I got 2 things.